So let me introduce you to one of my favorite things for my photo shoots, my jewelry bag. When I first bought this, I didn't know if I was gonna use it a lot, but now that I bought it, I've been using it for like every photo shoot. I bring it with me all the time. So let me show you what's inside. We have so many little accessories here. We have necklaces, earrings. I have rings in here so that when I want to change up a look, I can just pull out like a pair of earrings that I really like. So I take this with me for a couple of reasons. One, I like to style my own shoots sometimes because a lot of the girls don't bring anything. So I like to know, okay, at least if she doesn't have any necklaces, I can just put one on her. And these are items that I also want to use to help keep my photo shoots consistent. When you use the same necklaces or jewelry in your photo shoots, it creates a consistency and that helps you develop your style. And I just want to make sure that I have a backup. Again, if I don't have any accessories, I have them with me. I carry things like blush. I'll carry like little things like strings and stuff like that, little hair clips, anything I need, it will be in this bag and I take it with me to every photo shoot. And a lot of this stuff is, fairly inexpensive. You can go shopping on the internet and give your photos a unique look using accessories and your own jewelry.